Welcome to day 1 of My Pet Red. To begin, we are going to take a look at CVC words. Remember, we're going to see a lot of CVC words in our book. CVC words are words with 3 letters, a consonant, then a vowel, then another consonant. CVC words are going to use the short vowel sounds we have below. So say the sounds with me. A says a like apple. E says like egg. I says like iguana. O says like octopus. And U says like umbrella. Another thing to remember about CVC words is that we will see B or Ds. Use one of your B or D strategies when you get to B or D so you say the correct sound. All right, let's go ahead and practice some of the CVC words in the story. We're going to sound these words out using the vowel sounds we just practiced. All right, say the sounds with me and blend with me. Ready? Here we go. P, e, t, pet. D, og, dog. Remember the circle goes first, so we have a D sound first. D. Look at this letter. I see a line first, so I'm going to say B. Ready? Say the sounds. B, t, but. Ready? Say the sounds. R, ed, red. Nice work. Let's look at some more. Say the sounds. N, ot, not. B, ed, bed. B, egg, beg. Y, et, yet. Awesome job saying and blending those words. Ready? This one. G, ot, got. V, et, vet. F, ed, fed. T, l, tell. This has a star because we have the floss rule, 2 L's at the end. Way to go, working on words in our story. Now we're going to practice some CVC words for fluency. We're going to go even a little bit quicker, and we are going to say the sounds and blend the words. All right, ready? Here we go. N, egg, neg. K, ub, cub. H, it, hit. G, app, gap. S, app, sap. All right, next line, say it with me. T, n, 10. P, al, pal. H, ug, hug. R, ig, rig. H, at, hat. All right, next line, here we go. Ox, ox. S, un, sun. R, at, rat. L, og, log. R, ut, rut. Awesome work, friends, with your CVC words. Now that we've looked at some CVC words in the story, we're going to take a look at some sight words that are in the story. This is the first sight word. Say my. This is the sight word my. The Y is making the I sound. We need to remember that by heart. Say have. In the word have, we can sound out the first 3 letters. Have. And the E is silent. It's a heart sound. This is the word this. The TH say says l. Say we. This is the word we. The E is saying its name. E. E. Remember that by heart. This is the word from. Say from. From has an O that makes the sound. We have to remember that by heart. The is usually made by a U, but in from it is made with an O. Say to. This is the word to, like I am going to the store. The oo sound is made with 1 O. Remember that by heart. Say be. This is a sight word be. The E is making the long vowel sound. E. We have to remember that by heart, just like in the word we. We be we. Those 2 rhyme. They're spelled very similarly with an E at the end. Say go. Go is another vowel that says its name, the long vowel sound. O. Go. Remember it by heart. Those are all of our sight words. So now we're ready to play Beat the Teacher. Get your sheet out that looks like this, and your highlighter, marker, or pencil, and get ready to play the game. I'll point to a word and you'll say it. Then I'll say the word correctly. If you say it correctly before I do, you get to highlight the word. I'll show you how it works. Say the first word out loud. This is the word my. If you said my correctly before I did, you may do one line across with a highlighter, marker, or crayon. My. Let's do the same thing all the way through. Make sure to listen to me saying the word and check that you said it correctly before you mark the word. Say the word. Have. Say the word. This. Say the word. We. Say the word. From. Say the word. To. Say the word. Be. Say the word. Go. See how many words you said correctly. Count up how many highlighted words you have and write that number here. All right, we're going to do this activity again, and you're going to see if you can beat your score. Can you get more words correct this time? I bet you can. Get ready with your highlighter. Say the word. My. Say the word. Have. Say the word. This. Say the word. We. Say the word. From. Say the word. To. Say the word. Be, and say the last word. Go. Count up how many words you've highlighted in this second column. Write the number here where it says score. Did you improve from your first time to your second time? Our goal is to learn all the sight words, so keep it up. You can pause the video if you need more time, otherwise we're going to go on to the last column and play Beat the Teacher one more time, trying to get our very best score. Say the word. My. Say the word. Have. Say the word. This. Say the word. We. Say the word. From. Say the word. To. Say the word. Be. And say the last word. Go. How many did you get right this time? Count it up and write your score right down here on the line. See if you improved each time. Are you learning these sight words? Great work, friends. Now you're going to cap your highlighter and put it away. We're going to play a game called Detective. You are going to be a little detective looking for these sight words in our story as I read. Take a look at the cover. There's one sight word on this cover. My pet red. Which one of these sight words did I read? Say it out loud. That's right, I said my. We're going to play detective throughout the whole story, so be looking for sight words as I read. This page has two sight words. Look for them as I read. I have a pet. My pet is a dog. What two sight words did you see on this page? Say them out loud. Did you see have and my? All right, next page, 4 sight words. This is my dog, Red. We got Red from the vet. Say the 4 sight words you found on this page. All right, let's see if you got them. Did you say this? My, we, and from? All right. On the next page, you're going to look for 3 sight words. Red likes to beg. He will beg to be fed. Say the 3 sight words you found on this page. All right, did you find 2? 2 again. and B? Nice work. This page has no sight words. Just follow along as I read. Red, you got fed at the vet, I said. All right, on the next page, we have one sight word. Look for it as I read. I tell Red, not yet, go to the bed. Say the sight word that you found. Did you find two? Great job. And up here we can see this peach bubble saying not yet. All right, last page. Two sight words on this page. Look for them as I read. But Red will not go to the bed. He will still beg and beg. Say the two sight words you found on this page. Did you say go and to? Great job, detectives. I like this illustration because you can see the dog is thinking about his one thing on his mind, can't you? All right, nice work. All right, now that we've looked at the CVC words in the story, the sight words in the story, we are really ready to read our story. Let's read it together. I'll point and you'll say the words right along with me. Here we go. My pet Red. Read along with me. I have a pet. My pet is a dog. Keep reading out loud with me for the rest of the story. This is my dog Red. We got Red from the vet. Red likes to beg. He will beg to be fed. Red, you got fed at the vet, I said. Awesome reading. Keep reading out loud with me, friends. I tell Red, not yet. Go to the bed. But Red will not go to the bed. He will still beg and beg. He's begging for a bone or some food, isn't he? All right, how did you do reading along with me? Were you able to say most of the words? This is going to help you become a better reader. All right, the last thing we're going to do today is a little bit of duet reading. With duet reading, I'll say the words in white, and you'll say the words in yellow. So on this page, I would say my, you would say pet, and I would say red. Let's try it. My, red. As we read, keep saying all the words in yellow out loud. Here we go. I, a, my, is, dog. This, my, red. Got, from, vet. Great job reading those yellow words. Keep it up. Red, to, he, beg, be, Red, got, at, vet, said, I, read, yet, to, bed. All right, last page, guys. But, will, go, the, he, still, and, wow, wonderful work, readers. You did hard work on My Pet Red, and there'll be a second video where you'll practice some of these skills again. Keep up the wonderful work.